Today we are going to learn two amazing circle marks video effect that will make your videos more engaging and professional. So without further delay, let's jump into the timeline and see how to apply this effect. Here we will create a circle marks. First, select the video and go to the effect control. You can see the opacity option here. Next to opacity, you will see the circle icon and drag it over the face and wherever you want to apply the marks. If you hold shift on keyboard, it will scale perfectly in a circular shape. Now if I play the video, it will look like this. After that, you will move the video layer up and select a background video from the project, placing it on the bottom layer. See, the background video is now in place. Next, we will go to the effect control and set the motion section. We can adjust the position of the video. Set it wherever you think looks best. If needed, you can also use the scale option to make the video bigger or smaller. Now if I play it, this is how it will appear. Now we will create another shape, this time a rectangle shape. Go to the same section and create a new shape to place it properly. And turn on the stroke option, turn off the fill option. You can also change the stroke color if you like. Then position the shape in the right place. Next, we'll enlarge the shape layer so that it covers the entire video. Now play the video again. Click if everything looks complete. After that, select the two tops layer together and nest them. This will allow us to move the layers around easily. Once nested, go to the effect controls and from the motion section, adjust the position of the layers just like we did before. Additionally, we can do this using another method. First, use the rectangle tool to create a circle shape and place it over the face. Then scale up of the layer so that it aligns perfectly with the video layers. Next, go to the effect panel and search for track math key. Drag this effect into the video layer below. After that, go to the effect controls where you will see the track math option. From here, select the graphics layer you are using. For example, if your graphics layer is on video 2, then select video 2. Now you can move the layer and position it wherever you want. Finally, select both layers together, nest them, and add a background video to the bottom layers. For more Premiere Pro tips and video editing tricks like this, stay tuned to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe for new video editing tutorials. Thank you.